hang on to the bar here.
Yeah.
Baby. Baby's sitting in the ICU.
Okay.
Yeah.
Peter, are you happy with your baby?
Oh, I'm thrilled. She looks so nice.
Brand new bass strings, treble strings,
Wow.
tuning pins,
And look at the
lovely ivories,
ivory keys.
a whole new
It feels so
facelift.
silk. And there's the brand new, what are those, strings?
Strings, yes. And the
Oh,
iron frame's been re-gilded.
Yeah, actually.
Can you see that?
Wow.
And
And
the
then there's,
cabinet.
what are these things?
This is the mechanism.
There's all the mechanism.
Yeah, in the process
And the
of being
dampers.
completed.
This is all still in intensive care.
You can take your action picture there. We get out of the equation.
It's going to be amazing when you
Which
do
one,
it.
Annie?
The one lying over there.
That's going to cost 120,000 to restore that.
All the little parts inside are not available anymore. They've got to be made in Germany especially.
And this one, let's go look. This is 1850, eh?
That's 1850.
1850, this picture is. Wow.
These two have come from Mhlanga. They were in the floods. The water went right up to here.
Oh, now with the flood.
Water damage, insurance is paying.
Yeah. What an beautiful. Shit, look at these pianos.
My hands on this one is mine, and this one I bought these because they're such beautiful pieces.
Yes, look at that.
Yeah, and this one here, look at this one. It's got scrolling work
Oh my word.
everywhere, even on the fall, the music rack here, on the sides, at the bottom, and that's all going to be picked out. We're going to pick it out with gold leaf.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
It's going to be lovely.
And this one, look at this one. And this one is going to be beautiful when it's done.
This candle.
Look at how heavy they are. And look at the carving on top. Okay.
Take a picture of that, honey. Wow. Yeah.
And this one here,
Wow.
we're working on, is made in 1860 by John Broadwood, one of the very earliest grand pianos made. It even has the brasswork here, hand beaten. Very, very old.
Picture of that too.
And look at the music, the name is handwritten. It was in the days when they were handwriting everything.
Amazing.
How good they are. They
Oh,
are so
So it's a staff of 20,
And-
20 technicians.
Yeah, 20, and then we have the moving staff, and then we have the admin ladies. Yeah.